watching this Peregrine Falcon. It's just caught a bird. It's just come in. See the feathers coming off. Two of them come in. So I thought I'd turn my camera on. See the blood coming out. Can't see what kind of bird it is, but I think it's definitely a bird. Ooh, nearly fell off then. It's hopping along with it. Goes. I'm gonna carry it somewhere else. Right above me there. It's going to go to a better place, I think, to eat it. That's it from me. I can't see it now, it's gone somewhere else to finish it. I haven't been on Facebook for a while because I've been too busy. Oh look, there it comes. It's gone behind a tree. I'll be back soon. Have a good day.